Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2016 Jeep Cherokee, and I will show you how to recharge the AC air conditioner by yourself. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, before I start showing you anything, I just want to add, it's always a better idea to have this done by a professional shop, just because they can connect to both low and high pressure charging ports. They can evacuate the system and then recharge it. You want to do this by yourself only if you are on a tight budget and you cannot afford going to the professional shop. Okay, so first I will explain what you need to do this by yourself. You will need the AC recharge kit, which consists of AC recharge hose, and it usually comes with 2 cans of the refrigerant. Now, you can buy this pretty much at any car parts store. I've even seen them in the grocery stores as well, or you can buy it online. Usual price is like $40–50. If you find it on a sale, could be even cheaper. Now, how this will work, you will screw the AC refrigerant can on one side of the hose, and then you will connect the other side of the hose to the low pressure charging port. Then you will start the vehicle and start charging the system. Okay, so I will also show you, there should be a sticker just here on top of the red support, which will show you what type of refrigerant goes into the system and what is its full capacity. So this vehicle takes 482 grams of R1234YF refrigerant. You should never mix up the refrigerants, so if this is in your vehicle, you want to make sure to recharge it with the same type of the refrigerant. Okay, now I will show you, will have a high pressure and low pressure charging ports. Now right here, this is the high pressure charging port, and you will not be touching this. You need a low pressure port, which is just here on the side of the engine. Okay, it's gonna be right here, you see it. So what you want to do, you actually want to remove this cover just to help yourself. You can do that just by unscrewing this cap here and then just pop it up and get it off the way. And now, as you see, you have complete access to this low pressure charging port, and you want to remove this cap and make sure you don't lose it. Okay, the next step, you want to screw the can onto the hose, but do not pierce the can yet. First you want to connect the other side of the hose to this port right here, so that just snaps on. And once that is done, then you want to pierce the can by turning it all the way to the right. Okay, once that is done, you want to turn this knob all the way in to pierce the can. Okay, and once that is done, you can go inside the vehicle and start it and set the AC to the highest settings. And always you want to watch these gates. You don't want to go into the red, not even into the high yellow, right? So you want to be ideally under 50 psi, and keep monitoring this gauge, because if you overcharge the system, you are risking damaging your AC compressor. So that's why I said it's always a better idea to have it done professionally in a shop if you can afford it. But if you keep monitoring this, you should be good to go. Okay, now you want to start the vehicle, and you want to set it to the max AC and turn the AC on, of course. Now you can proceed outside and start charging the system. Okay, now I hope you'll be able to hear me, because the engine is quite loud. So you want to slowly start turning this knob counterclockwise, and that will charge the system. I'm trying to do it with one hand, so unfortunately I'm having a bit of a trouble, but that's the idea, right? And you don't have to rush this, just take your time while you're charging it, and keep looking at that gauge. What I like to do, I like to take a break mid work just to go inside the vehicle and see if I feel any difference. So yeah, just come inside and see if you feel the air being blown is any colder. Of course, the main thing to watch at is the gauge, but this is just something to confirm this is actually working out for you. Now in my case, I still have to add a bit more, but I just wanted to double check if I'm getting any cold air here. Okay, and then you just want to keep doing it. Like I said, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's a bit tricky, but there is no rush to it. Okay, and that's it. Once the gauge is good to go, you can go inside, check if everything works, and then you can turn off the engine. When you are finished, make sure to return this cap back onto this charging port, and yeah, that's pretty much everything you have to do. All this will work in case there is no leaks in your AC system, in case your AC compressor is working and things like that. If you have a small leak, there is also something called AC sealant. It's something similar to the refrigerant, but it's combined with a special solution which stops the leaks. I've tried using a couple of times and it worked, but if you have a bigger leak, then you have to take a vehicle to the shop so it's properly inspected. They can use like a special dye to pinpoint exactly where the leak is coming from, and then some parts will have to be replaced for you to have the AC in your vehicle. Like I said, this is the economical way of doing it if you cannot afford paying the professionals. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.